Alright, so hey guys, I'm right now making loom band collars for my cats right now. I've already gave one of my cats literally necklace that I made, and let me do my intro real quick. Hey guys, it's me, Milakit, or as you can say, Vanessa, and I'm gonna try doing the event since I'm new to it and I want to try it. Whoa. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, this is new. I was just scrolling for my YouTube as well. Well, yeah, my YouTube. Oh my god, I look crazy. I can see myself through my iPad and I look crazy. Like, I literally saw this on my YouTube. Something about the frozen forest. But yeah. Oh my god! It was so pretty. Okay, this is taking forever. Is my friend in here? Never mind, it's not my friend. Boy, when am I gonna join? Help! Can I join? I still haven't finished one of my. Okay, finally, Forced Clan. Oh my god, okay, okay. Why is this actually kind of good? I'm not joking. What the? Oh my god, I got a secret. Wow. Okay, let's see. Get off my screen! I don't know why I'm like this. I already found free. Alright, so I'm just gonna go explore because I'm new to this right now. And I wanna see if I can find anything. Because does this one thing and I don't even know what it's about. That's just a stick. I thought it's something nice secret. You still can't open doors in Boya Cats. You make me a grumpy. No, I said grumpy. Like, okay, the lodge. I wonder what the lodge is about. I want to see if I can find anything new. No, I can't pick up those sticks. Because this is pretty new, but it's pretty nice. And I'm in love with it now, even though I just went in. I keep think, but yeah, there's new flowers. Red, those seem like pink. Look, it says red. Does it seem like pink to you? Yeah. Okay, let's not argue about that because Warrior Cats is one of my favorite games. Yes. Is this the leader's place? No. Is it? No. Okay, this reminds me of that one place, but, no, I'm gonna talk. This ain't even like the right, Warrior Cats. Like, it doesn't feel like the right one, but it's literally the same one. It feels like a new game that you're in. Yeah, here's the frozen forest. This is what I'm talking about now. Whoa, look at the cliffs. They nice. Nice. Oh, there's a barrier. Oh my god, my baby sister just said, "Eee." But she ain't in my room, but she outside. Well, not outside. Okay, my game just lagged for a second. Okay. You can't be here. Such a shame. Can you hunt? Oh no. Can okay, you can. Let's see. Whoa, that's rare. Okay, let me read all of this because the frozen forest, a scheduled frozen landscape. The residents. Okay, the residents. I don't know how to say that, so ignore me. Trying. The residents seem to have no knowledge of the forest territory yet known of StarClan. Background: the frozen forest is dom, do, okay, the frozen forest is dominated by two factions of cats, Frostcon and the Stone Wardens. Independent cats known as Rogers live a harsh lifestyle on the outliers of these two factions, and their territories scarce food is scarce year-round, and leaf bear is especially harsher. Clan cats. The Stone Wardens do not believe in prophecies. However, FrostClan still seeks advice of StarClan when Helis deems it necessary. They travel to a secret location in the frozen forest to do so. Despite believing in StarClan, the cats of FrostClan have lived here so long that they do not remember where they arrived from, or even that a forest territory exists. Okay. Should I go back or not? Not yet. Let's go back. Oh my gosh. Should I go to a different clan? Let's go to. Should we? I'll just. Yeah, let's go to a different clan. Let's see if we will get anything else. But Frost clan. Gorgeous. I'll do this first. Rogers and Learners are still here. Okay, I only got 4 now. Let's explore here because I'm bored. What the? We need to explore. I just found another thing. So that's 5. Okay, if I can't find. Okay, lost camp. Abandoned den. Okay, Rogers and Learners seem like they're pretty lonely. Like me. A log. Okay, we're at the frozen forest again. Jesus Christ. Okay, why did I say that? I'm not trying to hunt, man. What saying I'm trying to hunt? Should we jump? Yeah. Jump. Can you even hunt here? I don't even think there's any prey. I'm gonna check. There's probably no. Yeah, there's probably none. Fearful. No, there's not. There's a random cat. Oh, this is a lake. Is it? Yeah. Oh, it's Frostclan. I'm just a liner. I don't know why. I just play Warrior Cats for fun. Ignore why I was yawning. Oh gosh. Some Frostclan cats just saw me. Give me some. Oh, jump scare. Okay, let's go to a different clan. But I'm quickly gonna explore more.